Good afternoon, Steve Louise.
Hi, Miss Stokes.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
We're going to have fun on this take 3.
Yay!
Okay, so it is time for our visual drill or see and say sound review. So I'm going to show you some letter or letters on a card. You're going to produce the sound short and clipped while air writing it or writing it in the air like you have a sparkler. And we're going to kind of go as fast as we can. When we get to vowels, I want to hear both sounds, the short sound and the long sound.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
A at the end of the word.
I had to give you a tricky one early. Nice job. Another tricky one.
Yeah. J.
Oh, excellent. You remember the soft sound for this letter. But I want to hear the hard sound or first choice, like garage or good.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
G.
Good. Try that with 2 fingers on your table. 2 times. G. G.
G. G.
I see a C at the beginning. C, my D. C, my D. This is D as in dog. Can you see?
D. Dog.
Good. Let me show you a real trick. Do you remember that little trick we learned about A, B, C, D? Can you try that?
A, B, C, D.
C, right? And so when we have this one up.
A, B, B.
Good job.
B. O. A.
Good. What's the short sound?
Apple.
This is a tricky one. This is our vowel, like umbrella.
Oh.
Good job. 3 fingers on the table this time. 3 times. Good job.
Or I.
Nice. Good. Down into the pool. Good.
O or
Excellent.
Or O.
You got it. You got it.
J. G. G.
Excellent. There's a couple more coming up to practice.
D.
Good job.
B.
Excellent. All right. So after we do our see and say, we have our hear and write. So I'm going to produce a sound, and you're going to write down the letter or letters that make that sound. Okay? And then for all you teachers out there, I've got my lesson plan with me. I'm going to be dictating the sounds that I filled in right here. Because I don't know about you teachers, but when I'm trying to come up with words or letters on the fly that I'm supposed to use, my mind goes blank. Steve Louise, here we go.
Yes,
the first sound is What's the sound? Good. Can I see what you wrote? Great job. Next one.
Sorry, Miss Stokes, did you say the next sound? I didn't hear you.
No, not yet. It's
into the pool.
Good job. Next, we've got
Apple.
Excellent. How about it?
Igloo.
My goodness, you are so bright. Next sound is r. R. I love how hard you work during these sessions. You are a golden child. Okay, this is a tricky one. Ready? D. Yeah, you did it. We've got our C, my D, C, my D. All right. How about ah, ah?
Have we learned another one for that one, Miss Stokes? I can't remember.
We have not. That is the only one we have learned so far.
Okay.
Thanks for asking. Okay, 3 left. I love this one. Okay, because it kind of has 2 sounds, but I'm just looking for 1 letter. Are you ready?
But when you love those sounds, Miss Stokes, they're always tricky.
I know.
That one is easy, Miss Stokes.
What? Well, that's because you are a brilliant student. Okay, how about up? Up.
Oh, up, going up. Up, going up.
Oh my gosh, I'm recording a video for work. Get out of here.
You gotta lock it down, man.
Miss Stokes.
Oh, we're still rolling because this is going to happen in real life.
I was going to say, this is what's going to happen to all of us.
Okay, so last one, Steve Elise, is
B or
B.
P?
B.
B as in bull.
Mm-hmm. Bat, ball. Woohoo!
I got it. I was confused, but I remember we already did P, and then I remember A, B, C, D.
So smart. Yeah, I saw what you just did, which I love because we've done it like this. You could also do it like this. A, B, C, D. Make your bed. That works too. Okay, pause. All right, next part. So we're going to read some words. All of these words have sounds that you have already learned in them. I would love to see you and hear you sound them out and then blend it together. So I'll do an example just to remind you what that's like. And I'll have you try them after that. Okay? Okay. So if I showed this one, I would hear you say, at, mat. Got it?
At, mat.
Exactly. Can you try this one for me?
Rim. Pen. Safe.
Good. You did 3 sounds for this one, and it does have 3 sounds. That middle one is going to be a short vowel because there's no E at the end. So it's going to say it's short name. What's the short sound for A?
Apple.
Apple. Right. Can you try that one again for me?
Sap.
Good job.
It is the same. There's no E at the end. So, ran.
You got it. Short one, 2 sounds this time.
At.
I know.
Wig.
I thought you were going to wear a wig for our session today.
I was going to, but then I got shy. Mix. Run. They look so similar, those letters, the U and the N.
They
Rib.
do.
Rib.
Good.
Dime. Dime.
First sound is correct. Third sound is correct. Let's focus in on this middle sound here. Again, because there's no E at the end. This one's going to say it's short sound. And the short sound for I is it.
Yes.
Can you try it again?
Dim.
Good.
Mud. Bop.
I think that's a fun word.
Bop, bop, bop. Lot. At. Mix
Good job,
again.
Julie.
We already did mix.
We did? Oh man, I put it on there twice. 1 point for you, always catching me in my mistakes. Skip it.
Fox. Ox. Cut.
Mm-hmm. 3 more.
Tub. Bug. I know that word.
Good. That's a good one. Last one.
There's no E. Fib.
It's a weird word. Do you know that word? That sort of means like telling a lie. My mom used to say to me, Jennifer, stop fibbing.
I thought it was a made up word.
Fib. I wouldn't tell you a fib.
Miss Stokes, you're lying.
Pause this. Okay, we did such a good job reading those words. Now we get to review sounds by spelling some words. I have 10 written down, but I'm thinking for time purposes, I'm just going to give you 5 today. Is that okay?
Yay!
Okay. So, I've got my little board here as well, because I'm going to practice with you. Are you ready? I'm going to say the word.
I'm
You
ready.
say it back to me.
I have 5.
You say it back to me. And then what I want to hear as you're writing is, I want to actually hear you make the sounds as you're writing them. So I'll do an example of what I mean. If I gave you the word mop, I would hear and see mop. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Mop. All right, you ready to try?
See Miss Stokes.
All right. Your first word is gas.
I passed some gas.
Good for you, everybody does. Gas. Gas. Nice job. How many sounds are in that word?
Just 3.
Good job.
Gas.
Great. Next word is tax. Tax. Can you say tax? Say it back for me. Tax.
Text.
Good.
Like I'm going to text my mom.
Oh, so close. I think that I must have said it funny. It's the word tax. Like you have to pay a tax when you buy something, which is not something kids pay attention to. So,
Tax. Like that?
like that, exactly. That was a tricky one. I shouldn't have put that one on the list. Note to self for next time. How about the word? And again, I want to hear you with the 3 sounds while you're writing, okay? So can you try, and you can use your other hand, right? Use your other hand for the sounds while you're writing.
Okay. Good idea.
Let's try dip. Dip. Like I love to dip a chip. Dip.
I always make a mistake with all those letters.
I know, that's why I wrote it down, because it was so tricky, and I love the tricky one.
Dip. Pretty sure I got it right this time, Miss Stokes.
Pretty sure you did. You did C.
Yes.
My D. Down
in the pool.
Nice job. Dip. All right. How many more do we have then? 2?
2 more.
Let's spell the word fun, because I'm having so much fun teaching you today. Fun.
Fun. That's easy. Fun.
Good one. Oh my gosh, you're so smart. You are so smart. You got all 3 letters. Let's check. Let's double check that order, okay? Can you do the 3 sounds for me? Good. What do you hear in the middle? What's that middle sound?
Like going up.
So check your letters and see what you have in the middle there.
Is it wrong? I think I know what happened, Miss Stokes.
I think you're going to get it too.